Hi everyone, my name is Sivam Kumar and welcome to the Smart Analyst channel. This is the AutoCAD Jetpack series and this is the day 5 of our AutoCAD. Uh, so let's dive deep into this learning. Till today, not today, till here we have been covered the drawing utilities and the modification tool, annotation tool and layer properties. But in the day 5, our main agenda is related to shortcuts related to the design, which ultimately help you while creating your design and you will be more efficient. And second, each and everything you can access through your command tab. So my main focus will be on command tab. So let's deep dive. So I have been already opened the AutoCAD for you. See, my first shortcut is match prop. Match prop is something if you have been created a two lines or two different, see there are two object which is in two different layer. How can I show you? See, this is the line which is falling in zero layer, but at the same time, this line, this line is falling under the design layer. If I want to match both of if I want to match both of the lines or both of the objects, so what I can do, I can match prop. I can match the properties of both of the objects. So there are two ways. First way is you can click over here, match prop, and then select the source object. See, this is it is asking for select source object. So if I'll select source object and this is my destination object, if I'll click over here and select it, both will be the match. Okay. Now there are second way also. If you want to match prop, so you can write manually match prop. See, this is up here. Hit enter in your keyboard and then select a source object and then this is the destination object. Hit enter. So at the same time you can match prop. Second, our second command or our second shortcut is lay on and lay off, or additionally I can add lay freeze shortcut is all. See, if you are working in a very robust and very large project, there are plenty of layers which ultimately you can see on your screen. But while creating a drawing, you don't need those. So what you can do, you can lay off those layer and layering off. How you can do, you can just write lay off in your keyboard. It is appearing correct, but let me correct it. See, it is asking layoff and hit enter. Which layer I need to lay off? So I need to lay off this layer. So if I'll click, no, not this one, this layer. If I'll click over this, everything which is present, everything which is appear on this layer will be laid off. If I'll click on this, see, this is my current layer. It is giving me a prompt. The layer 0 is the current. Do you want to turn it off? If I'll say yes, so it will be laid off. See, everything which is appeared and which is falling under the zero layer had been laid off. So this is how you can lay off. Again, if you want those layer back, what you can do, there are two ways. If you want any particular layer to be switch on, so you can come at this location, layer properties, and then manually from here you can see on and off. So if something is in yellow color, it means it is layer is on. If something is in blue color, it says layer is off. So if I'll change, if I'll click on this, see, color has been changed and whatever I had been laid off, it is being laid on again. So again, if I'll click on design layer and laid on, so my rest of the design has been appeared. Sometime what happen, if you lay off now some layer, it is being frozen and it is not laid off. So for those, what you can do, you can write a command of lay frz. Lay frz said lay freeze, so it will freeze your layer. If I'll click on this and select it, sorry, lay freeze and then hit enter. If I'll click on this, it has been freeze. What it is being, if you'll jump on layer, it is on, the layer is on, but you can't see because I have been freeze it. You can see change of color. If I'll unfreeze it, you can see it is appeared once again. Now let me so now one more thing. Earlier, if you want to add or join two different lines, so let me draw the one line like this. So this is my one line, and let me draw one line over here. So you want to join both of the end of. the objects, this one and this one, and you want to join this corner to this corner. So what you can do, you can write a command pedit and hit enter and then select a polyline. So at this stage you need to select a two polylines. So you need to enter M stands for multiple, and then hit enter. Then you need to select the object. First one is this one and second one is this one, and then hit enter. Then there are multiple options: close, open, join, wait, fit, multiple options. What you want to do, you want to join. So you can manually select join, or you can enter J in your keyboard. So it is automatically taking a join and then hit enter. Now it is saying for first distance. First distance, let me give the 10 with the, no, it is not taking first distance 10. It is too far away. Let me take us slower, and then pedit. So and then M, and then select object selected, and then join. First distance, let take 100. So it is too far, not taking. Okay, so once again, pedit M, uh, select object, sorry, pedit select, pedit select M, and then select both of the lines, and then join. First distance is 100. See, it has been joined. How you can see, there are two lines, but now this is one line. See, if I'm selecting it, both of the line has been selected. So this is how you can use the pedit. Now there are one more way you can join two different line or polyline. That is the join command. But for that, what you need to do, you need to just uh, you need to attach both tip of the line. See, at this stage the tip of the line is here, and at this stage tip of the line is here. So what I can do, I can stretch, and I'll keep at this low point. Okay, and then hit this. So again, this is two line. If I'm selecting this one, this is coming one. Again selecting, this is coming one. I want to be joined there, so just select both of them and then hit join command and hit enter. Then see, both of the line has been selected. If I'll click complete object, it's coming like this. So this is how you can change the uh, you can just join the other lines. Okay, now see, at this stage you can see thickness of this polyline is quite thinner. You want a lot more thick lines. What you can do, you can change the global width. This one, this section, global width. So you can change the global width to 10. See, not 10 is not appearing. Let's change it to 100. See, line has been thicker. You can see this line has been a lot more thicker than like right now. So this is how you can made you can change the thickness of the line. Okay. Now, see, this is the command. My next topic is command, through command tab, because whatever tools and properties in home ribbon you can see, drawing, modify, annotation, layers, blocks, each and everything you can access from the command tab if you know the actual name of those tool. It means if you want to add, sorry, if you want to move any object, what you need to just write move, hit enter, and then select the object, again hit enter, and then it will ask the base location. Let me give the base location to this one, and see, I can move it here. Now if I want to copy, I can copy, hit enter, and not I'll select this one and then hit enter. It will ask me the base point. I'll select the base point is here and then hit enter, and I can create a multiple copies. You can see at multiple location as well. So this is how you can create a copy of your tools. So everything you can access through the command tab. Now you want to create any circle, you want to create a rectangle, so just write in your keyboard rect and it will appear. So just hit enter and then create a rectangle. See, now you at this stage you can see whatever new things I'm creating, it is coming in the red color and in the same layer, zero layer. Why? Because I made zero layer is my primary layer. Sorry, layer is here. I made my zero layer is primary layer. If I'll click on some other layer like line layer and made it primary, if I'll click, I'll create any new things like not rectangle. Yeah, rectangle you can compare a lot more easy. Rect, and then I'll create. So see, both of the rectangle is coming in the red, but if I'll select this, this is coming in the line layer, but if I'll select, this is coming in the zero layer. So whenever you will make any layer as a primary layer and create a new object, automatically all the object falling under that layer. Okay. So this is how you can access each and everything through the command tab. So we are good for today. So for this video, this is the end. And after that, I have a plan to start the Google My Map. It is not a long video, 10-20 minutes video. And after that, I will explain optical fiber planning on the GIS and the impact of GIS on optical fiber planning and designing. And then after, we will get back on this AutoCAD series. So it will be my main objective is to create an industry exposure to you guys. So whenever you will appear in an interview or any kind of job role, you will be job ready. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And we will meet once again. Thank you.